In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Looker Studio report. Whether you're new to Looker Studio or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure you can confidently make the changes you need. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Looker Studio website. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the homepage, look for the navigation menu. You'll notice a section titled Recent. Click on this to proceed. Here you can find a list of your most recently accessed reports. This is particularly handy if you're working on an ongoing project and need to jump back into a report you've recently edited. Now that you're in the recent section, look through your list for the specific report you want to edit. Once you find it, click on the report link. This will take you directly to the report's main interface where all of your data, visualizations and insights are displayed. The user interface is neatly organized, so you should have no trouble locating this option. While you're viewing the report, the next step is to enter edit mode. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and locate the edit button. Give it a click. This will enable the editing features, allowing you to make all the necessary adjustments to your report. When in edit mode, you can modify elements like charts and tables, change data sources, or update the design and layout of your report. This flexibility allows for a fully customized report designed to meet your specific needs and preferences. In edit mode, you'll have a range of tools at your disposal, from adding and rearranging components to tweaking data settings and filters. Take your time to explore the various options available. If you're new to the interface, don't worry, it's quite intuitive and you'll find tooltips and guides to help you along the way. If you're unsure about any changes, you can always preview how adjustments will look before finalizing them. Once you're satisfied with your edits, ensure you save your work. You can do this by clicking on the File menu at the top left hand corner and selecting Save. Remember, saving your updates regularly is a good practice to avoid losing any hard-earned progress. With these simple steps, you're all set to make the most out of your Looker Studio reports. Editing your reports can greatly enhance the insights you derive from your data, allowing for more effective decision making. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.